Hey guys, we are over here at Hollywood Studios.
Hello from Hollywood Studios.
We actually have dinner reservations, so that'll be a separate video. But we just wanted to kind of come over here and hang out.
Yeah, it's bringing you along with us, see if there's anything new or if it's the same. We haven't been here in a few months.
Yeah,
So we're just
a
hanging
long
out.
time. I think we finally got reservations, or park reservations to come here, so it's like, might as well.
Yeah.
But we're really excited, guys. We don't know what we're going to do. We had no plan. We did not get tickets to Rise of Resistance, just because it was 7 o'clock in the morning and I got off work and
we were tired.
Yeah.
But
So,
if you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out.
yes.
Hopefully you watch the entirety, and if you like us enough, maybe hit that subscribe button.
And if you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because we do post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And maybe, just maybe, we sprinkle in 1 or 2 videos a day. Or whenever.
Yes.
But guys, thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy this video. Look at her shoe.
She's like, "Your shirt."
This thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing? Hey, Nick and Liam. Sure you take good care of our friends. What? Bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! Look on the that track sledge.
he's the fastest drawer in the West. His pictures aren't very good, but he draws them real fast.
He hasn't gotten canceled yet.
Step right up and take a rollicking ride through our gallery of games. They'll astound you. They'll surround you. Some will even confound you. Our games will test your skill like nothing else ever will. Check out my new hat. It cost me an arm and a leg. Fortunately.
It is not by choice that we're doing this in this car.
We keep forgetting.
I know.
I think we just got tired because we weren't staying hydrated, honestly.
Well, so I get off at 4 a.m. and so we come here after like 4 or 5 hours of sleep. So I think we just get so exhausted that.
Sorry guys.
Yeah,
We're so the outro's in the car again.
I know. Sorry guys. We got out of the habit. Now we're back in the habit. We gotta get back out. But guys, you know, Hollywood Studios is the busiest park, in my opinion, out of all 4 of them. Second would be Magic
I think
Kingdom.
it's harder for annual pass holders to get to Hollywood Studios, so that's why when we get it, we try to stay as long as we can.
Right. Well, but guys, it was actually a lot of fun. We got to do Mickey's Runaway Railway.
Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Yes, and
We did Tower of Terror. We did
Slinky.
Slinky.
We did all the
Toy
Toy
Story Mania.
Yeah.
We did Alien Swirling Saucers.
We did. So, you know, it is kind of nice to ride rides because for a while we really haven't. We've been going to the parks, but we haven't been riding the rides just because we just want to go and get.
Well, we just want to see what new things to show you guys. And if it's the same, we don't want it to be the same video every time. So hopefully you guys see that variety.
Yeah.
If you do, leave a comment.
But supposedly they're at 40%, 40
capacity.
If this is what 40% looks like, I'm scared to see what 100% is going to look like again.
Because we got so used to it being 25%. Imagine when it goes back to 100. We don't know what's going to happen.
I do miss the 15, 20, 25, 30%.
It started at 25.
Did it? Well,
Yep.
I just miss it. Guys, it was just, you could find a seat, you could do all that stuff.
And it's
There's
getting
so
warmer
much.
now here, especially in Florida. Like today was like 80. Yes, the other day it was like 90 some degrees.
It's 75. Today was beautiful.
No, right now it's 75 as we're leaving the park.
True.
But
Okay.
stay hydrated, definitely, because don't do what we do. Learn from our mistakes.
Yes. And guys, if you made this far, thank you so much for clicking on the link.
Yes,
watching
please
us.
help us get monetized. We are almost there. So if you could please share with your family and friends. If you see in this park, say hi, tag us in anything you want. We're definitely more social on Instagram and TikTok now.
Yeah. We're trying on TikTok. It's hard. It's hard work.
I'm trying.
It's hard work. But guys, thank you so much, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.